freedom is not a gift bestowed once and forever. It is a responsibility to be cherished and preserved. The 79th Independence Day was celebrated with pride and solemnity at St. Britto Academy, Chennai. The ceremony commenced with a prayer and a choir song seeking blessings for the nation.
The principal hoisted the national flag and the students paid their tribute with a dignified march past that reflected discipline and unity. The program unfolded with a moving presentation on the significance of the day. Students dressed as Bhagat Singh, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and Sarojini Naidu delivered inspiring speeches in English, recreating the voices of the freedom struggles and sharing their sacrifices.
This was followed by a Tamil speech which highlighted the triumph of freedom over struggle and the many unsung heroes who contributed to India's independence.
The principal, in her address, reiterated the core theme of this year's celebration, urging students to foster inclusivity, uphold national causes, and work towards social harmony and democratic values. The program concluded with a vote of thanks and the collective singing of the national anthem, leaving every participant with a renewed sense of patriotism. Jai Hind!